Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. In today's presentation, we continue with our solutions to NECO 2024, and this is Further Mathematics. This is paper 2, part A, the compulsory parts. With us here is question 4. In my previous video, I've solved question 1, question 2, and question 3. You can check my channels to see the solutions to those questions. Question 4a reads, find the equation of a circle whose center is the same as that of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0, and it passes through the point 5, 4. Question B, what is the length of the tangent to the circle? X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 27 equals to 0. From the point 5, 6, the first thing to do is to identify this question is from which topic. Of course, question A and B is from conic section. Okay, let's look at how we can solve this together. Let's write down the solution here. Let's write down the solution. Let's bring out the equation now. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, first thing for us to do is to rearrange this equation. This will be x squared minus 6x minus y squared plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0. Rearranging it means those with x one side. Okay, from here we have to apply knowledge of completing the square method. We have to find half the coefficient of x, square it, and add it to both sides. What does that mean? It means we'll have x squared minus 6x plus half of minus 6, of course, is minus 3. We'll square it. Do the same to y. We have to find half of 4, which is 2. This will be y squared plus 4y plus half of 4 is 2. We square it. Before we do that, let's bring this 3 to the other side. The constant minus 3. When you move to this side, it will become plus. That will be 3 plus, we add this minus 3 all squared to both sides plus 2 squared to both sides. Okay, so by comparing now, we realize that we have x squared minus 6x plus minus 3 all squared. So by comparing, we realize that we can pick x minus x squared all squared. It means this is the center as x minus 3 all squared. If we expand this, we'll get this back. Or before we do that, we can write this as x squared minus 6x plus minus 3 squared is 9 plus y squared plus 4y plus 4. That's 2 squared is 4. Then this will be equals to 3 plus minus 3 squared is 9. So we have 9 plus 2 squared is 4. Okay, this will be x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 4y plus 4 will be equals to, we can add this. 3 plus 9 is 12 plus 4, that will be 16. Okay, it means we have a quadratic expression here. X squared minus 6x plus 9 is the center as x minus 3 all squared. If we expand this, we'll get this. Okay, or even from here we can pick by comparing. We have x squared, we have minus 3 all squared. We have to pick x minus 3 all squared. So this is the center as x minus 3 all squared is the center as x squared minus 6x plus 9. Then plus this y squared plus 4y plus 4 is the center as y plus 2 all squared. And this is the center as 16. Then from here, we can get the center of the circle now by comparing. The equation of a circle is giving us x minus a all squared plus y minus b all square, which is equals to r square. By comparing now, given that our center now, the center is minus a comma minus b. This is the center of the circle now here, using this equation now. So by comparing, minus 3 will be equals to minus a. Minus 3 will be equals to minus a. So it means the center now will be a now will be 3, then b will be plus 2 equals to minus b. So of course b will be minus 2. So the center now of this circle, which is the same as the circle that we are asked to find the equation, the center is given as 3 comma minus 2. Okay, and the question now say it passes through 5 comma 4. So we have to draw the circle. So permit me to clean this side. So let's draw the circle here. Let's say the circle is given us something like this, and we have the center here, which is 3 comma minus 2, and it passes through, so there will be a point here which is 5 comma 4 from the question. Okay, if it did not pass through this point, the radius will be what? The radius of course will be 4. That's the square of 16. But since it passes through this point, 5 comma 4, then we have to find the radius now, which is r. And to find this radius, we have to use distance between 2 points. So let's clean here to do that. Okay, distance between 2 points now, which is r, will be equals to square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. So this is distance between 2 points. So our r now will be equals to the square root of x2. This will be x1 here, y1, x2, y2. x2 of course is 5 minus 3 all square plus y2 is 4 minus that will be plus 2 because there is minus here, plus 2 all square. The radius now will be equals to 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 square is 4. That will be 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36. So the radius now will be 40, root 40. The radius will be root 40 if it passes through this point. Okay, we are asked to find the equation of the circle now. We know the center and we know the radius, so we can easily find the equation now. The equation now will be, equation of a circle is x minus a all square plus y minus b all square equals to r square. Okay, and we know our center as what? We know our center as 3 and minus 2, so we substitute now. So this will be x minus, since center is 3, that will be minus 3 all square plus y, this is minus will be plus 2 all square. This will be equals to, the radius here now is what? R now will be, we compare, R here is 40, so if r square is equals to 40, it means here will be 40. The radius r now will be 40 because we have, let's move here, we have r as root 40. Then it means since r square, we have r square now. To find r square now will be, since r is equals to root 40, we can put root 40 here in place of this r. That will be root 40 all square. So this will divide this. We're left with 40. So it means the radius now will be 40. Okay? So the next thing to do now, we can expand this. We can expand this. Okay, let's expand here. X minus 3 all square means it will be x minus 3 into bracket like this, plus y plus 2 all square means will be y plus 2 like this will be equals to 40. So let's expand. The x times x is x squared, x times minus 3 is minus 3x, minus 3 times x minus 3x, minus times minus is plus 9, plus y times y squared, y times plus 2y plus y 2 times y, that's 2y plus 4 equals to 40. Okay, so we are almost there. Let's clean here so that we can get the equation now. Okay, uh, we have x squared. This will be x squared. Okay, minus 3x minus 3x, that will be minus 6x plus 9. Okay, then plus y squared, plus 2y plus 2y, that will be plus 4y plus 4 equals to 40. Okay, the standard equation of a circle is of the form x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So we have to rearrange this to look like this. Okay, so this will be x squared minus, let's say plus y squared now, minus 6x plus 4y plus 4y plus 9 plus 4 minus 40 will be equals to 0. Finally, it will be x squared now plus y squared, then minus 6x plus 4y. We add the constant now. So this will be 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 minus 40. That will be 27. That's 40 minus 13. Yes, that will be 27. Yes, that will be minus 27, which is equals to 0. So this will be the equation because we're asked to find the equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle will be x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 27 equals to 0. So this is the solution to A.